want to see the fly shit on that ever came out of Detroit. Ghetto TV, shit lit. I'll get to showing y'all how this shit really supposed to be. Don't make me go in there. Go subscribe. I'll show y'all. Cause can't nobody really fuck with me. I'll get to go in boxes. Call niggas. Who y'all wanted to see? What? I'll go in boxes, man. I just seen Ruggs. What Ruggs that? I just seen Ruggs put these on his page today. I just seen Mr. Ruggs slap these on his page. He said he going to 21 party with these on. I get to going through this shit. I've been had Terror Squad forces, boy. 3-4 pair.